Hello, instructor. This is Fernando Gonzalez, and I want to show you my new project music API. The link for the new node application. Go to the the Swagger interface. So these are all the roads, and this is a road for the API docs. And this one is for getting all the artists. And this API basically what it's doing is managing two collections, one for artists and the other one for the albums belonging to this artist. So we can populate all the albums based on the artist ID, and we can have um, all the artists. I will show you how this works. Good. The code response code status will be 200, and this is the array for JSON file for all the artists, as you can see. So I will copy this. This is for Dua Lipa, and okay, this is a get ID, and you can type an ID, and this road it will give you the artist data. So this is the ID. I click execute, and as you can see, it's showing me the data from this post artist. Let's try and name, let's say, and name, name, age, let's say 50, I don't know, pop, a um, cute. You can see it's giving me this new ID because I created a new art. Let's get this based on his ID, then copy. Well, maybe it's the last one. Okay, this is a new artist that I have created. So we can also filter how many albums or what albums belongs to the artist based on the I will show you. We will use this road. So the path gets all album information based on the artist ID provided by this as a user. Execute, and that will return an array with all the albums. I'm sorry, I copy another ID from another artist name. Here, the ID for the artist, and give me the data and information about this artist. So basically, this is what this API is doing so far. So that is all. Have a good afternoon. Bye.